How to enable or disable developer options on any Android. If any day you would like to enable or disable developer options on any Android device, just follow the following steps. First of all, go to the settings on your device. After you go to the settings on your mobile device, scroll down until you find the option of About Phone. After you go to the option of About Phone, you will see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of Software Information. After you go to the option of Software Information, you will see the option of Bill Number. Now you have to tap on Bill Number for about 5 times. After you tap on Bill Number for about 5 times, your developer mode will be on. And you have to go back, and you can see that you will have seen the developer options out there. Now, if you want to disable the developer option or the developer mode, you have to go to the option of About Phone again, and then you have to go to the option of Software Information. You can just tap on the bill number for some few times, and your developer mode will be disabled. Otherwise, you can go back once again, and after you can go back, now you have to go to the developer options there. Now, after going to the option of developer option, you have to just disable the on option out there, and this way your developer option will be disabled and your ready developer mode will be disabled on your Android device. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.